Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Gladiator Mojave in black clear coat with premium LED lighting, cab rock rails, 17-inch aluminum wheels, Fox 2.5 performance internal bypass shocks, body color Freedom Top 3-piece hardtop, tow package, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, off-road info pages, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjt.com, stock number D7980.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.